Hey guys, welcome back. This is Nimble, and in this video I want to show you how to use OBS Studio to live stream in YouTube. Let's get right into it. So first of all, you see this, we're in OBS. First, you go open up Google Chrome, as you guys can see, and search up OBS Studio. I mean, not tutorial, but OBS Studio. After you do that, press the first link. After that, press which platform are you on. I'm on Windows, so I press this and then finish the setup. After finishing the setup, you get this. So what you have to do is, you can do recording and streaming. So I'm just going to show you how to get your screen right here. But first you press this and press display capture. You name whatever you want and then press OK. After you do that, it will do this and press OK. As you guys can see, in the preview section, you can see a screen. If you want to bring it to the program, which people will see live or in the recording, you do this. As you guys can see, it's like this. And if you want to capture your game, you can do anything you want, like a specific window or any full screen application, or capture a foreground window with hotkey. I did this and then I press something else and press OK. You can see this. I'm not playing any games, so it doesn't bring the game up, but this is how you do it. If you want to go live in YouTube, first you open up YouTube. I mean, not here. I'm gonna open up YouTube. 1 second. Why is it not going full screen? I don't even know. First you go to YouTube. First you go to YouTube. And next what you have to do is, if you want to go live, you can. You press go live. Start. Go. And you press that. And then you can put any title you want. Like, you go here. Then you choose it's not made for kids or stuff. Save. And then it'll say connect streaming software to go live. What you have to do is, you scroll down and you see this stream key. This is what you have to copy. Press copy and go here. Go to stream and then paste it here. Paste it here. And then choose YouTube. And then choose primary YouTube in-guest server. And then you need to press apply. I already did apply, so it doesn't show up. Press OK, and then when you press start streaming, it will automatically start streaming here. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.